YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, Go the Entrepreneur. Monday morning, I'm just getting to my first job, y'all. It's really just a house wash. It's dirty in the back side. On the back side, I gotta do the front walkway on the front side. I'm gonna show y'all in a few minutes. This one side. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all and show y'all what it look like. Hey, y'all. Got mold and mildew all back there. Probably the only mold and mildew I really see on the front side is right here. This side right here. All the way up. Touch that foundation up. Vinyl loose. That's why we're gonna soft wash. Push that back up in now. But we gonna soft wash that, so we ain't gonna put no pressure on that at all anyway. So I ain't even worried about that. I'm just glad I got that video and that picture so I can cover myself. The backside, y'all. I'm about to take some pictures of this real quick. It's dirty. Really dirty. Make sure we get those soffits and gutters clean. Clean all this up. I ain't removing nothing. We about to get all this cleaned up, y'all. I might have to apply my chemical to this twice. But we sure about to get it clean, though. If I had my, you know what? Damn, I ain't got no chemical in my X-Jet pail. It's all good. I'm going to downstream it, and I'm going to hit it twice. I wish I had some chemical in my pail. I would have X-Jet. But you see that? We're about to take care of all this. Y'all stay tuned. I'm about to crank up and get started, man. I'm about to get some pictures of this back and this side, and I'm about to crank up and get started. All right? It's dirty, y'all. Y'all already know. Concrete first. Concrete first. And we're gonna start soaking. We're gonna start washing from over there to over there. And then we're gonna do that side and the back. Let's go. Concrete first. And then rinse that side on. So right here I'm rinsing now. Then to finish rinsing on this front. Go apply the chemical to the side and the back. I already got my chemical post-treated on the front walkway. And let me tell y'all something. When I'm doing house washes, I don't remove red clay completely unless I'm paid to remove it. That's an upsell. And I hope y'all charging a little extra to remove that stuff too. You know what I'm saying? Unless they paying a high ticket and they getting a lot of stuff done, then I automatically include it. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, standard house wash like this, I'm charging extra for red clay removal, man. So I got the chemical, everything I need on my truck. If they paying for it, I'm gonna remove it. If it come off during the house wash, that's good. Sometimes the SH will loosen it up that red clay, and it'll help remove a lot of it, but it'll still be a red, you'll still be able to see the mark there. Red SH don't completely get down in the surface and completely pull everything up like the red dirt. It don't completely pull it up. One Restore, it's a lot of products out there that work, but One Restore is our go-to chemical for red clay removal. Let's get this thing finished, man. Spraying it back down, y'all. Get that chemical on there. I'm gonna get this back sprayed down, y'all, and then I'm gonna be right back. Cause I gotta go around to get that side over there and that little corner right there. I'm about to knock all this out. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done with it. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done applying the chemical. I just don't want y'all to forget what it looked like. I just don't want y'all to forget what it looked like before I applied it, you know? Stay tuned. Let me show y'all the other side again, because I'm about to go on and apply and get everything applied. And then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done. I got other jobs to do, but I got to give y'all at least one of them, sometimes 2 a day. But I got to give y'all 1 a day for sure. We're about to get into this right now. See, my hoses won't reach for me to stop right here. So I'm gonna have to go all the way around and come around. Just gonna hit this side of I'm just gonna come over here and just go on and finish spraying over here and apply to this side. And then I'm gonna come and just, this should be gone by then. This should be gone. This should be gone. Let's get it. I had to come around here and hit this little spot right here. I'm about to apply the chemical back here, like I said, over here. And then this side over here. All of that should be gone. Probably gone now. I'm about to apply this, and I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I had to treat this area twice. It came off once. The first time I did it and I rinsed, it came off. But I just applied it again to it and let it sit just to make sure all that stuff gone. It was thick. Told y'all I don't remember what it looked like back here. I'm finna show y'all what it look like. As soon as I do this other side, I'm about to go over here and rinse right now. As soon as I get done re-rinsing this back side down, I'm about to make my way over there. Stay tuned. This is what I be telling y'all. It say it's gonna lighten up, it gonna lighten it up, but it ain't gonna completely remove it. I don't know if y'all can see that. That light little red clay stain, like right there. You can pretty much see it a little bit, but it's clean. But you can see it a little bit. We don't remove that with regular house washes. That's an upsell. I got chemical that'll make that look like this. It won't be there. So for everybody that be wondering why that still be there, or why it still be a little red clay at the bottom, is because we charge extra to remove that. I'm happy it come out like that during the house wash. If that's what you get, that's cool. I ain't putting no more of my other chemical on it unless you pay for it. I can remove that. Y'all see that? See that little red? I can remove that for a small fee. Straight up.
So much better, Mr. Chris. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I've been putting it out when I got your number from you down the street.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then I had to go into the office for a whole week.
Yeah.
A whole month. So I said, well, just wait till the first of the year.
Yeah, this is the right time anyway. Springtime, spring cleaning.
Yeah, you right.
Yeah, we do gutter too. Yeah, man, we do gutter cleaning too. Up sales every time, y'all. I look out for my customers, man, especially when they get more than one services or we been doing business for a while. I'm gonna make sure I look out. Look at this back. This lady right here come out talking about how much I charge her to wash her house. I gave her a price, a good price. She talking about she can do it herself. I'm like, good talking to you. You know, it ain't gonna look like this. That's a fact. And once she see how clean it is, she gonna definitely add this lady. What's his number? Look at that, y'all. Clean, clean, clean. Everything, foundation, all that. See, she ain't complain about that little red dirt. She already, these folks don't be even studying that. It be the main stuff. But if they wanted that gone, I can get that up out of here. That's a fact. I'm about to get me some after pictures, y'all. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. One and done. I'm about to promote in this neighborhood. Really for about, it's 11. I'm gonna promote for about 4 hours in the area after this last job. I'll stay tuned for the next one. Hit that notification bell. We're dropping them every day. Either a job or some knowledge.